What's up guys, we're back, and in today's video we're gonna test the VICSEED magnetic phone mount. We're gonna see if it's good or if it's bad. Let's test it. We're gonna unbox it and we're gonna test it today. Let's do it. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the magnetic mount, the adapter for the vent, and this is the supporting pad to put on the back on the mount to keep it straight. Okay, and this is the template to place the rings on your phone case, and this is the sticker to put on the back on the rings. This is a rubber sticker to put it on the vent to hold the mount better. Okay, two of them, cleaning cloth sticker to clean the phone, warranty, and the manual, and this is what it comes inside of the box. Okay guys, this is the interior of my car, so I'm planning to put it in here because this area, it doesn't block anything. So I'm gonna put it, I'm thinking in putting the mount in here, but let's see if it fits. Okay, so I have the thing on the back, because if I don't put the thing, I think it's gonna move. So with this one, let's see, let me show you how it looks. Okay, you can see it. Bam! Wow, it's super easy. It's touching? No, it's not touching. It has a gap. Still has a gap on the back, as you can see. I think this one is gonna be the best one so far. Okay, it moves a little bit, but it's still strong, huh? Okay, now let's see if the phone blocks my screen. So let's test it. So here's my phone, the stick is on the back. All right, so let's see it. Okay, I think it's good. You can move it. Yeah, it's blocking a little bit. That's not that bad. Maybe I can move it. No, it's already all the way. Yeah, I can move it a little bit. Yes. Yeah, I can move it. Yeah. So I moved it a little bit, and perfect. It's not blocking. I love it. Man, to remove it, it's easy. Wow. I love this mount. You put it on right on the center, it's stronger, but it's still easy to remove. And you can put it like this too. That's great. The good thing about this mount, you can put it here, you can put it here, you can put it over there. But if I put it here, it's gonna block my screen. Maybe over here it will work better, but I want to have it closer here. For me, that's the best spot for me. Man, I love it. Just move that's amazing. Let's see if it moves. So it moves a little bit. Okay guys, this is the magnetic car phone mount. Okay, I like it, it's very good, but now I'm gonna give my opinion about this phone mount. Okay, let's start with the pros. Let's say the pros and cons about this magnetic car mount. Okay, pros. First pro, that is magnetic. It will hold any phone and that you can put it on the mount. Okay, the second pro is that it's easier to mount it. You don't have to press any buttons. You just pull the phone or place the phone on the mount. Super easy. The third pro is that it's easy to apply, to place it, to mount it. It's super easy. You can just slide it on the bend. You don't have to press any screw or lug nut to put it on the car. Okay, so that's the third pro. Okay, and the fourth pro is the price is very affordable. It's not too expensive. And now the cons. Okay, first con is that the magnetic power is not too strong. Okay, it is strong but not super strong. I have seen other ones that you can put the phone on the mount and it's very hard to remove it. This one is not that hard. It will hold any phone, but it's not super strong. So that's one con. And the second con is that it's gonna be blocking your bend. On my car is only half of the bend. It's blocking half of the bend. When the air is flowing from the bend, it's gonna block half of that. Okay, so that's a con. Okay, and I think those are all the cons. Other than that, the phone mount is great. It's amazing. I recommend it. But let me know what you guys think on the comment. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below if you wanna get it. I recommend it. It's very good. It works great. Nothing too crazy to mount it on the car. It's super easy. Okay, so if you like the video and you found this helpful, please like the video. That helps this video and the channel a lot, so the more people can see it. Okay, subscribe for more videos like this one because we have more videos, more parts and cars product reviews coming up. Okay, subscribe for the channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.